So Joshua, we have a picture on the right side of your chair. I would love for you to pick it up and tell me what you see.
Whew, yeah, all right. Frankenstein? I don't know. What do I see? Horror, misery, pain. But thankfully, I don't see that anymore. Would you like to see it? All right. A little bit better nowadays, I'm assuming, but yeah, I apologize you have to see that, but yeah, it's definitely not fantastic originally. I'm Josh. I came to Millennium Periodontics to have a bad implant removed, gum restoration, and then a new implant put in.
Joshua came to our practice with an implant that was placed in the front region that was not aesthetic, that led to a gum defect, and he was very unhappy with the cosmetic appearance as well as the functionality of the way he was when he first came to us. His frustration was that he had to undergo multiple procedures already prior to coming to our practice in order to even place the implant, yet still it was unaesthetic. And with that, we took his case. He entrusted us with the technology that we have to ensure that we can provide him with the best comprehensive treatment possible. We were able to give him back what he lost, and he was able to gain confidence, his self-esteem, and his overall oral health back. And that's the best thing that we could ask for in a patient.
It was great. I couldn't say anything better about her. And everybody else that we worked with. Everybody here has been above and beyond, right? I would give them, that's why I gladly did this, right? Because I wanted that people know that this is a place that's worthwhile to come to, they care, and they just do it right. I can't express enough my gratitude for the staff for being professional, being courteous, caring, being there, answering all my questions, even when my questions probably got a little annoying at times, but thankfully they were willing to do it, so I can't say enough good things. I can't recommend Millennium Periodontics enough, because I would highly recommend, and if I ever, hopefully I don't, knock on wood, but if I ever have to again, this is the first place I'm gonna go, and if I know anybody else that has that kind of issue as well, I'm gonna recommend them coming here.